circle.
Oh,
You don't have the shutter open, do you? That is good.
this stupid goddamn. Let me get them all in. That one worked.
Look at his hair.
Oh. It didn't jump you, did it? Go ahead.
I got on there with him and picked him up and started jumping. It scared him to death.
Yeah, it does.
Get on your side.
Poor baby.
That's at 6:30.
Take his razor out. You better jump, boy. You better jump. Uh-oh. That's it. Boy, he's getting him down, isn't he? Tammy showed him that. Yeah. Jump high. Oh, that's it.
Watch out!
Good job.
Oh, yeah. He doesn't get tired. Jump, boy, jump. High, jump. Oh, we better rest for a minute.
Oh, no way.
Oh, he's getting so high. This is what he loves.
Excellent.
They'll do anything for a claw.
Ta-da!
You could be wrapped a little bit.
By the time I went shopping and got back, he had it all
Yeah.
prepared. And I just went out for a few things. Mom and Shitter should have seen him jump off that tractor trailer over there.
Oh, my God.
He jumped plumb off of a wheel well on it.
Did he hurt himself?
Enough that he didn't do it again.
Chuck said. That's what I asked.
He made it okay, and he said yay, but he didn't jump the second time. He went back to the lower part. That's what I mean. He's got
Dee-dum, 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 dump, dump, dee-dum, dump, dee-dum, dee-doo-doo-doo, dee-doo, dee-doo, dee-dum, 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 bump, 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 bump.
Shortest trampoline in the world.
Dee-doo, dee-doo.